Both Franklin and I come from many years of photography, but we also spent a lot of years over in the South of Market, building South of Market photography community. We have the best academic photography studio in the Bay Area. Our facility has to do with showing up and making the best of whatever is going on at the time. It is an adventure. People come to the department thinking that they know something about photography, and what they find out is they really don't know very much about it at all. And the key thing to take away from that is we can take care of all that. We can help you to introduce you to these kinds of things. We can build in layers. We make really good foundations. We create a sense of belonging.
I think the other point that needs to be labored is that we have a sense of community here. This guy sitting next to me had the foresight to figure out what to do so that this is a place to come to.
There is no sense of superiority or eliteness in our community at all. When you work with our people in 74 and they work with the people in 75 and 76, the barriers just disappear because we're all about the sharing and the experience and the interaction. Fundamentally, it has to do with the talent that comes here to create the program. This program is accessible to everybody. You don't need to have a camera. You don't need to have any kind of equipment. We can provide all of that, and everybody is welcome. And all of a sudden, your Wednesday nights are busy for the next 3 years because you're here and there's something very, very special going on, and you're included in it.
It's that sense of community. We want you to be part of it.